Habaikan bikinong patay kubor hadian balawai ke jengelang jaka kenhun menteri. Menteri rang ba kejelau konrad kongkal sangma ulong ba ke Sorkar kan Thaw ki subcommittee, bat kini ki subcommittee kini keren bagi lai teli ki district council kejela, ha kini ki saukusan sengi banwan. Bat bagian IT ke kaipot jaka Sorkar jela bat ke Sorkar kan session Meghalaya hadian berada ben bisyar ke kaipot kabel IT dagi subcommittee. Ukonrad kongkal sangma ulah keren syairu bagi district council kita ni kebor ban kentat kini kecing terwa bat ulah kular ru bagi Sorkar jela kan tuklar setia ya kerukom terikam jangi district council kentu bagi kam gebedai bagi cakap puta kahok tenrai bat kibor ki belah penkop deng bagri tisin syari ulah penpau kejing sokia halor kejing bambiang dikena ke pelatengka jangi district council komta an sabthai ki district council bakindon ya principal secretary ki bala bandai ki officer MCS bala tray slam ne ki officer IAS ban kemi halor ke company at ke pisa jangi council Ulong baga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kalai kendo jeng na kejeng kerdo pisah kamtam ha baga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kadan kam nyopo klor tengka ban seo ketulop kan baga penyi pisah tang arpsan klor tengka bad wat ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council ru kamat kejeng duna pisah bad kamla ban seo ketulop mereka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ka kambiang hakini ki katsan ni arposnem namar ba kam shimlatung kampalat yakinong trei
the support that we intend to give to the autonomous district councils. Basically, the thought process is very simple. That the district councils at different levels, whether it's the Garo Hills, whether it's Jantia Hills, or whether it's Khasi Hills, are facing different issues and concerns, and some of them facing financial problems. And we've seen that because of that, the functioning of the councils has been affected at large. And the councils are a very, very important part of our tradition and our institution. And it is an institution that has been, as I said, empowered by the Constitution and the Parliament itself. And hence, it is important for the state government to support in whatever way possible to ensure that these institutions work in a proper manner and in an efficient manner. And hence, our decision has been made that we will be forming 3 subcommittees. And these 3 subcommittees will engage in the next 45 days with all the 3 separately, of course, each subcommittee for one district council will engage with the district councils. Now let me make it very clear. This is only an option. This is not something that is mandatory. The desire to work and to take the support from the government is totally the discretion of the district councils. It is not something that we are making it mandatory. And hence these committees, these subcommittees will now engage with the councils, and the councils are at liberty to reject this offer completely. So there is one thing I want to make clear, this is not mandatory. But we have seen that there are concerns and some of the councils may be willing to work with us. So we are concerned about the financial stability of the councils. So we would be asking the councils to have a principal secretary of the position of either a senior MCS officer or a senior IAS officer to look into the overall financial administration of the councils to ensure that the money that has been given is utilized specifically for salaries and financial reforms like service rules. Service rules are important because employment, all these things, aspects are what leads to the instability of financial instability of councils. So reforms will be required, and reforms, as I said, financial. Let me be very, very, very clear. We're talking of purely financial reforms only. So whether it's service rules, whether it's financial rules, whether it is procurement policy, these are the areas which, and obviously disbursement of the money meant for the salaries going through a escrow account and ensuring that this employees get the salary. These are the areas which we would want the principal secretary to be there to monitor. Let me make it very, very clear. Government will not, I repeat, will not intervene in the functioning of the council.